In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Windows.old in Windows 11. If you've upgraded your Windows version to a latest or new version, your system will keep a folder of your old Windows version in a folder called Windows.old. So basically, this folder contains everything about your old or previous Windows version. But before you proceed in deleting the Windows old file, you must first take note that deleting it will disable you to going back to the previous or the older version of your Windows. So if you've decided that you won't need or you may not want to go back to the old version, then you can proceed in deleting it. And to do that, head over to the Start menu and open up Settings. And once inside the settings page, go to System. Then next, click on Storage. Then next is go to Clean Up Recommendations. And here under Temporary Files, you should see an option called Previous Windows Installations. So all you have to do is tick the box beside it, then click on the Clean Up button. And from there, Windows will now delete the folder and free up a large amount of storage space. And once again, keep in mind that once it's deleted, you won't be able to roll back to your previous Windows version. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!